I've learned doing these cars, set a goal, finish your goal, and go to the next. Don't jump around or whatever, but yeah, that's my goal. We're gonna try to strip this car down, at least the trunk, clean it up, get all the crap out of it, vacuum and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go around. I cleared some of it out, stuff I can pick up. Yeah, this is what we got. So thinking I'm gonna rip all this out and then vacuum it, because it don't make no sense to vacuum this out and I'm finna roll all that up. Just see what I got left. So yeah, once we get that, we should be down to the bare metal and see what kind of condition it's in. I got that out and it's not in bad shape at all. See no rust, holes. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Now we gotta clean it up, vacuum, sweep it, all that. All right. Real quick, I keep finding, look, like coins in this car, and I'm gonna show you something. Like, look at this coin here. And I looked on TikTok, and somebody had a penny worth $60,000, so they found it in an old school car, so I'm keeping them. That's the little jar I'm putting them in. But yeah, look like my shop vac. I'm trying to stop sucking. Always stop nothing. Go like back in the day. Give me some cardboard, sweep it up. It'll work. All right, shop vac wasn't working good, so I'm gonna take the time and see if I can fix that real quick. Check my filters in here, and then in here it might be clogged up. So that's what I'm finna do. Took that off. That was in here. I can imagine what's in the holes. It's clogged up. I'm a bad boy. You gotta troubleshoot. This, everything came out this hose. So no wonder it ain't sucking. Let's see if it worked better. Moment of truth. Got it real clean. Next thing I'm gonna do is hit it with some cleaner. Get me a putty knife and start scraping like spots down in there. See if I can get some more of that loose debris up and all this. If I can't, then I'm gonna grind it off. This is what I'm using. I'm just gonna pour it in. I see some, all this. Ain't that time to be spray a little here, a little there. It's gotta be clean, so. One thing I forgot to say, clean as you go. Because when you're doing these cars, you're gonna have stuff everywhere. Tools, dirt, everything. So I try to clean as I go. But this is how it is. Still letting that stuff sit. This is gonna be my weapons of choice. Got a Scotch-Brite, a couple of different size scrapers, and the mother of all tools right here. That's my multi-tool. Come to the party, don't nobody like it. When it's time to get that elbow grease going. So I put on latex gloves. It's gonna be wet. So gonna get in here and scrub, and I'll cut y'all back on. So now I went and got some soapy water, some old shirts, and now I'm gonna wipe it down with soapy water, and all right, we done scrubbed it, cleaned it. Now I'm gonna hit it with the vacuum again, get all the loose debris. All right, this how she look clean, cleaned up. On to the next step. All right. So we done sanded it down. I started with 220, but then I switched it 80 grit. because it wasn't knocking it down like I wanted to. So now I got a smooth surface, scratched up. So now I'm about to vacuum it again, then wipe it back out. I'm gonna take some paper towel. Then I'm gonna spray me some of this mean green on here, just to wipe it down. I don't want to soak it, just like that. I'm finna wipe it down. Get it clean, get it clean. Take a maroon Scotch Brite, go over it again, then I'm gonna wipe it out. Then we'll be ready for y'all something. All that cleaning, still got this. But that's part of it. You wanna do it right. If you don't, you know. But yeah, I gotta go through here and make sure I get all this up. So I'll cut you back on. So this, let me see if y'all can see that. I don't know what this is, but it's like tar. See that? It's metal under there. See if I can zoom in. It's metal under there. So I'm gonna have to scrape this off. I'll cut y'all back. All right, change plans. I'm gonna use this and knock that down. I can't even chip that away. It'll take time too long. So I'm gonna try to knock it down with this 60 grit. See if that works. Oh, I need to change my gloves. Try to put the camera where y'all can see. I don't know if you can see or not, but let's see if it works. See, it's eating it up. All right, I ain't gonna keep showing y'all the same stuff. Grinding, cleaning, wipe it down, vacuum, grind, clean it, wipe it down, vacuum. So anyway, I used the grinder to get all that gunk up off of there. So now I'm about to wipe it down again, and I'll go to the next step. All right, so what I'm finna do is hit it with this. Shake it up about 1-2 minutes. I'm gonna cut it back on. I didn't buy this. I got a bunch of paint from all them projects, so I'm just gonna use what I got. It's just a trunk, so we're gonna put a trunk line in it anyway. So see what it do. This first coat, just a little skim coat. So that looks so far. Just put a light coat on there first. Second coat.